Greetings, Transformer fans! Today we are going to be reviewing Transformers Legacy Prime Universe Arcee. Let's get into this. Well, I gotta admit, Transformer fans, I really like this Arcee figure. It's not as good as the first edition figure. The first edition figure is hands down a basic masterpiece in my opinion, but this is a pretty good figure in my opinion. Well, it does have a little bit of a gap issue up top, and the Energon blades don't really have anywhere to go to in vehicle mode aside from that one spot. I think this bike mode is just amazing. I think it hits that right kind of crotch rocket Prime Arcee it was with the more G1 aesthetics that this toy line is going for, obviously. And I think it really works, personally. And yeah, Arcee has a bit of a visible hand syndrome here in the back, but the one cool thing is that this exhaust pipe can fit the effect parts. So yeah, you could totally make it look like there's, flames or something shooting out the back. Really nice. You could also put the blades back there, but that arguably looks worse in my opinion, so yeah. And one other cool little feature is that you probably saw at the beginning of my review, is that because of the way the parts work, you can have the front wheel turned in vehicle mode, and I think that looks real nice. It's a nice touch. So let's get into robot mode. Quick thing about transformation that I'm noticing a lot of people are missing on Twitter and other places. When you're putting the waist in place, you need to hear that audible click. That means the waist is locked in place and will not fall back on Arcee. And robot mode is good. Really good in my opinion. Yeah, she's got a bit of a backpack, but what you gonna do? That's G1 for you. There is some ways to alleviate this problem, which I'll show off in a minute. But yeah, this robot mode is really nice. Now, I will admit one thing that is a little weird, honestly, and it's that face. It's the fact that this Arcee now has a nose. It's weird, I know. Now, I mentioned there's a way to alleviate the backpack problem. Allow me to show you. This part is actually detachable on a 5mm peg. It can split in half and has nice painted detail on the inside. But one of the things you can do is make this a handheld weapon. I'm not sure what this handheld weapon's supposed to be, but it's an option. Another option is to actually peg it in the back, split open, which I think is going to be used for a potential repaint in the future, honestly. Now, the energy blades can be fit on her arms, but they can also do one other thing. They can be combined together to form a shield. The thing is, the peg is too far back to be an effective shield, in my opinion. I personally think this is a really good figure. It's never going to compare to the Transformers Prime First Edition Arcee, but on its own, I think it's amazing, and I do think you should pick it up. Until next time.